The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. The lemongrass dip is the fragrant, tangy vinegar lemongrass broth at the heart of Bò Nhúng Dấm, Vietnam's vibrant answer to shabu-shabu. When the Vietnamese go out to celebrate, they often order an elaborate 7-course meal known as beef in 7 ways, and this tangy fondue is always served as the first course because it really gets the taste buds going. The broth weaves together the bright acidity of white vinegar with the citrusy perfume of bruised lemongrass, the gentle warmth of ginger and garlic, and a subtle sweetness from sugar and tomato paste. Guests gather around a tabletop burner, dipping paper-thin slices of beef into the simmering broth until just cooked, then wrapping the tender meat in softened rice paper alongside fresh herbs and crisp vegetables before dunking the roll in fish sauce dip. It is a communal, interactive dining experience that turns cooking into celebration. Each guest becomes both chef and diner, customizing every roll to their own liking. Lemongrass dip. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, minced, 4 cloves. In fresh ginger root, peeled and thinly sliced. 2. Water, 3 cups. White vinegar, 3/4 cup. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Lemongrass, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part bruised, 2 stalks. Salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons. For serving, sirloin steak in 1 piece, 1 pound. Large onion, thinly sliced. 1. Spring onions, sliced diagonally. 2. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Fish sauce dip, 1 1/2 portions. Accompaniments, dried rice paper wrappers, dipped briefly in water to soften, 16. Lettuce leaves, 16. Mint leaves, 1/2 cup. Coriander leaves, 1/2 cup. Small cucumber, halved lengthwise, thinly sliced, 1. Ripe tomatoes, quartered, 2. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the beef. Wrap the sirloin steak in plastic wrap and chill in the freezer for 30 minutes until semi-frozen. This partial freezing firms the meat, making it far easier to slice paper thin across the grain. Once semi-frozen, unwrap and slice the beef as finely as possible. The thinner the slices, the more quickly and delicately they will cook in the hot broth. Step 2. Arrange the beef platter. Arrange the beef slices on a large serving platter. Top with some of the sliced onion and spring onions. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of oil and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Cover and set aside until required. Step 3. Prepare the lemongrass. Take 2 stalks of lemongrass and discard the tough outer layers. Using only the thick bottom part, bruise the inner core by pressing down firmly with the flat side of a heavy knife or a pestle. Bruising crushes the fibers and releases the essential oils and aromatic compounds that will permeate the entire broth as it simmers. Step 4. Prepare the ginger. Peel a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root and slice it thinly. The ginger adds a warm, spicy depth that balances the sharp acidity of the vinegar and complements the citrusy lemongrass. Step 5. Mince the garlic. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. The garlic will be stir-fried first in oil to build a fragrant golden base for the broth. This initial sauté is what gives the dip its savory backbone. Step 6. Prepare the accompaniments. Have 1 small cucumber lengthwise and slice it thinly. Quarter 2 ripe tomatoes. Wash and pat dry the lettuce leaves, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Arrange all accompaniments on a platter. Have the rice paper wrappers ready. They will be dipped briefly in warm water just before serving to soften them for rolling. Cooking steps. Step 1. Sauté the aromatics. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot or saucepan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and thinly sliced ginger. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden, being careful not to let the garlic burn, as burnt garlic will turn bitter and overpower the delicate broth. Step 2. Build the broth. Add the remaining ingredients to the pot. 3 cups of water, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, the 2 bruised lemongrass stalks, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Stir well to dissolve the sugar and tomato paste evenly throughout the liquid. Step 3. Simmer the dip. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer gently for 10 minutes. This simmering time is essential. It allows the lemongrass to fully infuse its citrusy fragrance throughout the broth and lets all the flavors meld into a harmonious, tangy sweet balance. Step 4. Transfer to fondue pot. Remove the pot from the stove and carefully transfer the lemongrass dip to a steamboat or fondue pot. This specialized pot will keep the broth simmering gently at the dining table throughout the meal. Step 5. Set the table. Place the lemongrass dip in the center of the dining table and keep it simmering over low heat. Arrange the beef platter, the remaining sliced onion and spring onions, the accompaniments platter, and individual dipping bowls of fish sauce dip around the fondue pot so that everything is within easy reach of every guest. Step 6. Cook and enjoy. Invite your guests to dip the beef slices briefly in the hot lemongrass dip, just a few seconds until the beef changes color and is just cooked through. Remove the beef, wrap it in a softened rice paper wrapper along with some of the accompaniments, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, mint, coriander, and dip the completed roll in the fish sauce dip before eating. The joy of this dish lies in the communal experience of cooking at the table and customizing each roll to your own preference.